All right, what's going on, traders? We are back after a few days off. I think I took 2 trading days that I didn't post, both losses, so didn't really want to post those. Honestly, it was just crashing out after the L's. It's hard to post the L's, just because I'm angry and I don't really want to record, but I should because I feel like you learn more from the losses than you do from the actual wins. But I'm in a good mood right now, so I wanted to make a video of this recap. And honestly, could have made a super bag today, but I lowered my risk and I didn't want to be too aggressive with the move because I was already on a losing streak. So kind of just wanted to get a win under my belt to get that confidence back up, break the losing streak, and then hopefully go on a winning streak here. But still, a two, what is this? Basically a 2 to 1, 2.07 to 1 RR on the trade. Perfectly executed in terms of patience by me. Stuck to my plan, stuck to my bias here, waited until 10:25 to enter. So almost an hour after market open to enter. I think it's like the longest I've waited to enter on a trade, to be honest. Like normally I'm entering at like 9:45 or 10:05. Um, so yeah, I mean, good patience by me here, and it definitely paid off. Let's break down the trade. So if we go into 15 minute here, also daily. Let's start with daily actually. Go into the daily. Been on a mini well, not a mini downtrend. We've been on a downtrend. We did get a little retracement up in here, and then there also is this daily bullish fair value gap that we're trading in as well, which is another reason why I didn't want to go for my next TP like all the way down here. But if this fair value gap gets inversed, then yeah. But I mean that's a daily play, so not too worried about that right now. Hourly was pretty much the same thing, just bearish structure, a little bit of consolidation. And again, just a lot of lows that I marked up here to the downside that haven't been hit yet. We did get a little bit of a sweep here, and then a nice rally up. This was my TP2. And yeah, we kind of just blown past it now, which is a little bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. All right, now, so if we put on the indicator, we had London session, sweep out these Asian session highs, and then just nice movement down. So was kind of just expecting a continuation here in New York session, which is exactly what has happened. I was waiting for a manipulation. The reason I waited so long, it's honestly not that long, but the reason I was waiting for some sort of manipulation to the upside, which is something that I think I haven't been doing, which is why I lost the last 2 trades previous to this. Honestly, watching this go lower is a little bit painful, but it's okay. But yeah, waiting for a manipulation. So it was still just, making, the market was still just making lower highs, was waiting for a little bit of a pushback, sweep out maybe some 5 minute highs. So that's what I marked out here. These 5 minute highs, these 5 minute highs, these 5 minute highs, these 5 minute highs. I was waiting for something to the upside. We did eventually get it at 10:10, 10:15, these 10:20, these 3 candles here. Just a little sweep of these 5 minute highs, and then a break of structure down. And that's pretty much what I entered off of. I low-key should have waited for this candle to close, but I just entered pretty much as soon as this wick got broken past, and it was like, I think there was like 1 minute left until the candle closes. So realistically, I should have waited, but it's okay. Still ended up going my way. Set my TP1 to the top of the daily fair value gap, and then I did also mark out this 5 minute low here, and I think it's also an hourly low as well. Yeah. Kind of just as a reference point, if we did get a close below this, then I knew that my TP2 was pretty likely going to get hit, and honestly probably should have aimed for the 50% of this fair value gap, but that's okay. I'll learn from it. And it looks like it's rebounding a little bit. Maybe not. Um, yeah, a lot of waffling, but a good win. We'll see what market wants to do tomorrow and Friday. I probably won't trade, to be honest. There is FOMC and Trump speaking today as well, so honestly, might take another trade later on today. Probably won't, but we'll see. But yeah, a lot of news on Thursday and Friday, and I'll be busy both those days too, so I might not trade. But nice little win, nice little bounce back to break even on the account. So I'll put a screenshot of the winnings as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next trade recap, whenever that is. You know how inconsistent I can be, but I'll try my best to be back on here soon. So, peace.